Meaning of facial.
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 Facial. The term facial generally refers to a type of beauty treatment that focuses on the face. This can involve various techniques and products, such as cleansing, exfoliating, moisturizing, and massaging the skin, as well as applying masks, serums, and other treatments to improve its appearance and health. Facials can help to rejuvenate and hydrate the skin, reduce signs of aging, improve skin texture and tone, unclog pores, and promote a healthy glow. Overall, facials are a popular way to pamper oneself and maintain a youthful, radiant complexion.